If CapCut is giving you the initialization error 1, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This issue can happen when CapCut doesn't start properly, gets stuck in the background, or the current installation becomes corrupted. The good news is, you can usually fix it without spending a lot of time troubleshooting. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. Let's start with the simplest fix first, restarting the app on your PC. Sometimes CapCut looks closed, but it is still running in the background, and that can trigger the initialization error. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC to open Task Manager. Look for CapCut in the list of running apps or background processes. If you see it there, click it and choose End Task. Make sure every CapCut process is fully closed. After that, restart your computer completely. A full restart clears temporary glitches, refreshes system resources, and often fixes startup problems right away. Once your PC turns back on, open CapCut again and check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing to try is running CapCut as an administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to launch properly and access the files it uses during startup. Find the CapCut desktop shortcut or the app icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on it, then select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. If CapCut opens normally this way, then the issue may be related to permission settings on your device. In that case, you may want to keep using the administrator option until the problem is fully resolved. Now, if both of those steps fail, the most reliable fix is to reinstall CapCut using the latest fresh installer from the official CapCut website. This is important because an outdated or damaged installer can cause initialization errors, even if the app was working before. Go to the official CapCut website and download the newest version for your system. You do not need to uninstall the current version first. In many cases, simply running the new installer will repair or replace the damaged files automatically. Open the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once the installation finishes, restart your PC again if needed, then launch CapCut and test it one more time. If CapCut opens successfully after the reinstall, that usually means the error was caused by corrupted program files or an incomplete update. At that point, you should be good to go. If you want to reduce the chances of the error coming back, keep CapCut updated, make sure Windows is updated, and avoid force closing the app during startup or export. So to quickly recap, first, fully close CapCut from Task Manager and restart your PC. Second, try running CapCut as an administrator. And third, reinstall CapCut using the latest official installer from the CapCut website. These 3 steps solve the initialization error for most users very quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.